Get into a car with value. 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.